Hello children, welcome to our radio learning program for Primary 5 Science. This is a continuation of our radio learning programs produced by Rwanda Education Board, REB, in partnership with IEE, Inspire, Educate, and Empower Rwanda. My name is Teacher Gerard. Children, get ready with your pens, notebooks as usual, for doing exercises, and then sit next to the radio, which you will tune loud enough, and I mean loud enough such that you can hear, not too much noise. We talked about much noise, which is not good, but tune it loud enough such that you can hear, and at the same time be ready to participate in radio lesson activities. Our parents, on a sincere note, I want to thank you for the support that you are giving to the children. I would like you to be part of the child's learning by moving closer as always to the children and follow up what they are doing and keep on supporting them where necessary. Thank you. Children, now let us stand up to have a warm-up song. We are going to have I like songs, especially the songs that are praising God, because it is because of God's love that we are here today, that we can be able to participate in this lesson. Therefore, we have to sing God's love. God's love. I will sing the song 2 times. As you listen, then you will join me to sing for the 3rd time. Is that clear? Good. I'm singing. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, children, can you now join me and we sing together for the 3rd time? Join me. Let us sing. Go. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. That is great. My friends, that is so wonderful. Now, children, can you remember what we did last time? Can you remember what we did last time? Perfect. In our last lesson, we did revision exercise. Is that correct? Very good, very good. We did what? Revision exercise.
Come along and play with us.
Today, we are going to learn about electricity and its importance. We are going to learn about electricity and its importance. What? Electricity and its importance. Good. Electricity is another form of energy. Electricity is another form of energy. It is generated from various sources. It also has a wide range of uses. I've said electricity is another form of energy. It is generated from various sources. It also has a wide range of uses. During installation and use of electricity, various tools and materials are used. Is that correct? Good. Now, look at the pictures on page 191. Can you look at the pictures on page 191? I can see picture A, picture B, C, D, E, F, and G. Now I have a question. Is electricity good? My friends, is electricity good? Fine. Let us then start with importance of electricity. Write that one down. Importance of electricity. Now, can you look at the pictures on page 192? Page 192. You can see different things that we use at home or outside home that use electricity. Those are the things that we can use at home or outside home that use electricity. Is that right? Perfect. Can you identify some of them? Can you identify some of them? Good. Electricity is important in the following ways. Electricity is important in the following ways. Write them down. It is used to power radios like the radio that you are listening to now. Electricity is used to power the radios, televisions, computers, and phones. Number 2, it is used to light homes, schools, and other important places. It is electricity, umuriro. It is used to light homes, schools, and other important places. Number 3, it is used to power vehicles and machines. It is used to power vehicles and machines. Number 4, it is used for heating in ovens and microwaves. It is used for heating in ovens and microwaves. Number 5, it is used for air conditioning and refrigeration. Number 6, it is used to press clothes using the iron box and to dry clothes in dry cleaning shops. It is used to press clothes using the iron box and to dry clothes in dry cleaning shops. Number 7, used to solder or to press together metals. To solder, S-O-L-D-E-R, solder. Soldering is putting metals together and then you join them. So electricity can be used to solder the metals together. Is that clear? Great.
Come along and play with us.
Now, how is electricity produced? Children, how is electricity produced? That is what we want to know. Good. Electricity is produced through so many ways. Electricity is produced through so many ways. Let us see them. Production of electricity. Write that one. Production of electricity. Electricity can be produced from its sources in different ways. If you look at the pictures on page 193, my friends, you can see several sources of electricity. You can see several sources of electricity. Let us see them. You can see the bicycle dynamo. The bicycle dynamo. You can see the dry cell. You can see the solar panel. We can see wind-driven turbine. We can also see the car battery. You get that? Good. Others are generators or diesel and petrol. Others are water and fuel. Is it clear, friends? Good. Let us see about the bicycle dynamo. We are going to start with the bicycle dynamo. A bicycle dynamo is a generator which produces electrical energy. It produces electrical energy when rotated by a bicycle wheel. When the bicycle is at rest or the wheels are not moving, even if the dynamo is connected to the wheels, the bulb does not light up. When the pedals are rotated to make the wheels move, the bulb lights up. When the wheels are rotated very fast, the bulb light gets brighter and brighter. Why? Because a bicycle dynamo generates electricity when the bicycle is being pedaled. Do you understand that? Wow. Let us look at solar panel. A solar panel comes in different sizes and shapes depending on their use. Solar panels, they come in different sizes and shapes depending on their use. The panels are usually placed where they can receive maximum sunlight. Remember, solar means the light from the sun. A panel is the plate which now contains some cells that are going to be helped in converting the heat and light from the sun. Now, I've said solar panels come in different sizes and shapes depending on their use. The panels are usually placed where they can receive maximum sunlight. Good. A solar panel, a solar panel produces electricity by changing light energy from the sun to electricity. A solar panel produces electricity by changing light energy from the sun to electricity. You get that? You can see the solar panel on the roof. Again, you can see the sun producing light. And the light is going towards the solar panel. Then it is changed into electric current. And then it is stored somewhere. Then you can see the light bulb is now on. Conversion of the sun's energy into electricity. How is it converted? That is what we want to see. My friends, I want you to refer to the picture again about the solar panel on the roof. The solar panel on the roof, light from the sun is directed to the solar panel, which is also put at the top of the roof. In the solar panel, we have some cells. These cells can attract the light. they can also absorb the heat. Do you get that? Good. When they attract light and absorb the heat, they convert the light and heat into electric current. They convert the light and the heat from the sun into electric currents. Good. The electric currents that are produced by the solar panel are now transmitted, they are taken to the storage unit. In the solar panel, we have a storage unit, somewhere where the electrical currents can be stored. Do you understand that? Great. Now, after coming from the storage unit, now we can connect the storage unit with different forms of electrical things that we want to use. We can connect it to electric bulb, to the radio, to the TV, and any other source or any other machine that we want to use. Do you understand? Perfect.
Come along and play with us.
Now, let us see conversion of the sun's energy into electricity. The electricity, my friends, the electricity produced can be stored in a car battery. The electricity that is produced by the solar panel can be stored in a car battery. Now, it is then used when there is no sunlight, especially at night. When there is no sunlight, especially at night, we can now use it in the bulbs. When the solar lamp does not have power, it cannot light up, my friends. After exposing the solar panel to the sun for some time, the solar lamp will light up. Get me well. There is a solar lamp. We also have a solar panel. Sometimes when the solar panel has got little electrical energy, then the solar lamp cannot light up because we don't have enough power, enough light, enough electricity. So it does not light up. But after exposing the solar panel to the sun for some time, we just expose it, put it outside to see the sunlight and receive some heat. My friend, the solar lamp will start lighting up. Do you understand that? A solar panel generates electricity when exposed to the sun. Write that one down, my friends. A solar panel generates electricity when exposed to the sun. I repeat, a solar panel generates electricity when exposed to the sun. Is that clear? Good. We will stop our lesson at this point, my friends, and until we meet in the next radio lesson, bye-bye.
Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time. Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time.